memorandum of agreement with the issue of which I was there, the Vice President for Academic Affairs was there, Dr. Alma Berua, Executive Vice President Paca was there, President Paca was there, the Honorable Mayor Rosendo Labandaban and his better half, Honorable Congresswoman Labandaban was there with the President, the former President of the Mindanao State University System, President Habib Pacayong was there, talking about entering into MOA for the implementation of MSU Main Campus Sindangan Extension. And now you are celebrating your 4th founding anniversary.
So the knowledge and skills nga ako ang na-attain because of this event is the more confident ko, especially participate ko sa some of the categories nga gihatag sa mga ako. So some of the categories karon nga founding anniversary. Thank you.
First of all, I am very happy because it was a successful event, and then compared to the previous foundation event, so now I am very happy and proud of the SSG, of course, because they did great to this foundation event, so super happy.
Thank you.
Ang favorite na ko nga part sa event kay Battle of the Bands, kay ito na ako, ganan mo ko music, to be honest. Sagdi ko singer, mga hidden talent ako na siya, kay, hidden for a reason. Ganan kayo sa Battle of the Bands, kay it's like battle of talent, battle of sound, battle of instruments, and dito yung tanang music, tanang kalagot ni mo, pwede mo umutang tanan through music.
Hi everyone, I am Roel Barbosa from C3, and I joined 2 events this Litmus, which is the Acapella and the Hip Hop Dance Competition. And for the preparation, well, you know, as someone who is joining sa duha ka events, time management is really an important factor dyan. So nag-prepare ko in a way nga during this time kay for acapella akong i-make sure jud nga ang kaninga time na ako kay for acapella, and then this time will be for sa dance extravaganza. And siguro sa preparation kay gamay ra kanang akong like sa acapella dili ko mag-inom og bugnaw. Then sa for dance kay siguro more on stretching and all kay makapamaol juga ay siya. And overall siguro dako nga factor sa preparation ang good sleep. So bahalag hectic kayong schedule, so as much as possible I try to kanang sleep isang few hours nga dili jud magbilar tayo. And I think more to siya akong preparation for this year's Litmus competition for the foundation.
Thank you.
So, ang favorite part na ko sa activity ni Ari sa 4th Foundation Day sa MSU Sindangan is, of course, the activity nga akong giampilan, the musical extravaganza, which is the acapella. Because exciting kay siya nga part, kay apil man ko dito, and like pangulba siya, and that's the activity na we look forward yun kayo. And yeah, everything went well, and